This is a quick video to show that Photobomb is not an image editor per se. What it does is integrates with your social desktop by letting you mash up images from all your different sources. For instance, there's images on your local devices like your hard drive and your camera, pictures from the web, pictures from your feeds, and of course your webcam. So let me show you just quickly how it works. So here's on the Gwibber tab, you can see these are pictures that came in from my feed. And feeds, looking down here, these are things that people that I follow have tweeted or followed on Identica or have posted to Facebook. And I'll come down here, I see this picture of this funny jacket. Maybe I want to do something funny with that, so I'm going to click on that and I'm going to start mashing up with this. First thing is I'm going to go to the editor toolbar tab here and I'm going to shrink him down. A little better for mashing up there. And now I think there's some images from the web that might go with that are pretty funny. I'm going to look for my friend Matt Zimmerman. He's got a hacker gotchi that I think will go perfectly with that. And so what I did was I searched, and you can see that it used Google's image search and found some pictures of Matt's hacker gotchi and some other related images. So I'm going to use one of those. There it is, and I'm going to make him just grow that so it's just a little bit more appropriately sized for that jacket. Now it's kind of got this fashion theme going, and I remember there's some pictures from the last UDS party, which happened to be a Halloween party, on my hard drive. So I'm going to look for those on my hard drive. So I'm scrolling down through my hard drive tab. Oh, and there's a nice one. I have a couple in mind that I remember rather specifically, though. I'm going to see if I can find those. There's a picture of Matt. Or is that Matt? That's a funny picture, but I can't see it too well. So let's see. There's a couple that... Oh, there's one specifically that I had in mind. Let's see if there's any other funny ones from the party in here. Now that looks like a good one. I'm going to stick with Scott dressed as a pirate here. Now he's in this whole big picture. I don't want the whole picture, so I'm going to use the clipping tool to clip him out. Alright. Now I'm going to send him a bit to the back. Alright, and now I've got a few other tools that I could use here, like I could draw if I wanted. But what I want to do is add a caption. So first I'm going to select the font. Since we're in Ubuntu land, I'm going to use the Ubuntu font. Just need to find him. And then I'm going to write some Ubuntu, always in fashion. And grow that caption. And now I've showed you how I've mashed up a picture from my camera, one from my microblog feeds, one from the web, and added a caption. And now it's not as social as it could be, of course, because what's missing is that I need to share it. So there's two ways I can share it. One is I can save the picture and do what I want with it. But I can also click this Gwibber button here, and that'll... What it's doing now is it's uploading. It created an image out of this. It uploaded it. It got back a URL for it, and now I can tweet it. I could send it to everybody in Ubuntu. If I hit the send button, this would tweet that picture out to my Identica and my Twitter feeds. But since I kind of like my job, I think I'm just going to not tweet it, and I will just end the video, end the demo there.